Did you encounter this app is restricted to premium users only while using the Spotify app? Don't panic and follow this video guide to find out methods to fix this app is restricted to premium users only on Spotify. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Restart your device. Whatever issue you are facing while using the app can be easily fixed by restarting your phone. A quick and easy fix is a simple rebooting. You are suggested to restart your device once and then check if it has helped you. Method 2. Check device compatibility. You must check if the Spotify app is compatible with your device or not. When your phone is not supported, then you can encounter that this app is restricted to premium users only. Method 3. Delete Spotify app cache. Follow the steps. First, go to Settings on your device. Now, choose the Apps option. Next, find for Spotify and click on it. After that, choose Storage and then click on the Clear Cache option. Method 4. Log out and log in to Spotify. On Android, launch Spotify app. Now, click on Settings. Next, move down to Log Out option. Finally, wait for some time, again log into the app. On computer, launch Spotify app on PC. Now, click on Username, choose Log Out from menu. Once you log out from the app, close it. Finally, open app again and log into it. Method 5. Update Spotify app. On Android, open Google Play Store. Now, find Spotify app on search bar. Here, check if any update option is available, then click on Update. On iPhone, go to App Store on iPhone. Now, click on Profile Picture. Then, move down and look for available updates. Last, click Update option. For Windows, launch Spotify on Windows PC. Now, tap on arrow just beside the profile picture. Here, choose Preferences. After that, move down to About Spotify. Check if Update Now is present. Method 6. Reinstall Spotify app. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, look for Spotify. Next, click on Spotify, select Uninstall option. Then, open Google Play Store, search Spotify, tap Install. On iPhone, go to Home Screen, search Spotify app, hold for some time, click on Uninstall, confirm selection to remove. Next, open App Store, search Spotify, tap Install. On Windows, launch Settings by pressing Windows plus I key. Now, go to Apps, click on Apps and Features. Next, search Spotify, click on Uninstall. Then, follow on-screen instructions as guided. Method 7. Disable VPN. Many users use VPN services on their devices, but this can also stop you from accessing the app, hence an error occurs. So you are suggested to disable VPN service on your phone and then try to log into the app. Method 8. Reset Spotify app. First, open Settings on Windows, installed apps under Apps. Now, search Spotify app and tap on Menu, choose Advanced Options. After that, move down and click on the Reset option. Method 9. Take help from Spotify team. When you fail to fix the issue, then you should get help from the Spotify support team. Some technical problems may lead to issues that can only be fixed by the support team. Method 10. Use a professional tool. You can also go for a professional tool like Android Repair. This is a professionally suggested tool that easily fixes all types of Android phone issues with one click. Step 1. Download and install Android Repair tool. Step 2. Click Repair Now option to go ahead. Step 3. Select correct device info. Step 4. Next, download firmware package. Step 5. Begin Android repair system.